Hello all. So we had been doing videos of Hadoop installation. In continuation of that, today we'll be focusing on Hadoop commands and word count program execution. So let me just take you to the command prompt. And you can see here various commands being executed, like let me take to the beginning. Yeah. So give me a minute. You can see here HDFS name node format was one command. Then we changed the directory to Hadoop. Then there was a command called a start DFS CMD, JPS command, yarn command, start yarn CMD, again JPS, then ls command, then make directory command, then put command, and then jar command. So the flow, I took the dump of all those commands with the help of my student Sravani B. So I'll try to explain that flow. You can see here the first command being issued is HDFS name node format, and I have mentioned the utility of that command as initializing the Hadoop distributed file system, formatting the name node directory structure, generating new cluster ID and block pool ID, preparing storage directories for HDFS metadata. So for all these purposes, this command called as HDFS name node format is used. You can see here the process being started, name node being started, then the path being set, the name node being created, the cluster ID being shown here. Okay, then you can see here to start the name node and the data node processes. Processes are called as what? Daemons. The command being issued is start -dfs.cmd. So start -dfs.cmd, the purpose of that is starting the name node and data node daemons. JPS is a command that confirms which daemons are running. For example, when you issue the JPS command, here you can see here data node, JPS, name node, these are the daemons running. Now start -yarn.cmd. In that yarn, we all know what is the long form of yarn. Yarn stands for what? Yet another resource negotiator, and this command will be used for starting the resource manager and node manager daemons. So that we can verify with JPS verification, where you can see the node manager and resource manager daemons are visible. Then here we are just creating a folder, and throughput, what we are doing, throughput, if I am issuing the command, this command HDFS DFS -put and my file to some folder, that file should go to that folder. So basically this -put will be uploading my local file into HDFS. It will be uploading the local file into HDFS. Now this jar command, Hadoop jar, and the path, then the /input/output, this will be used to run the word count map reduce job on the input file. What the map reduce job will be doing, it will be splitting the program or the file into key value pairs, maps words to counts, reduce them to aggregated. So for that, this is the command being issued: Hadoop jar, and the path of the jar, name of the program, word count, then slash input slash output. So if you can, with cat command, if you display the contents of the sample text file, now you know for each word how many times that word has occurred. For example, Hadoop occurred for thrice, or data occurred thrice, like that. So similar, the remaining dump is for similar one more program called as sample text 2. Then one more dump is for combining those two files, and then again running the same program. Whatever put did, the opposite of that will be done by get. So what put did? Local file is uploaded to Hadoop. So get will be getting the file from Hadoop to the local file. So you can see here, this is the combined text of sample text 1 and sample text 2, and a word count program is run. Then you can see here the occurrences. So this is a small explanation of Hadoop commands and word count program execution. Thank you.